Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here.
So you've got some really great footage of you doing something awesome and you want to share it. In this video I'm going to show you how to record in IL-2 and transfer the files to YouTube. To maximize your audience's retention, in other words for them to watch the video from start to finish, you have to make it exciting, interesting and cinematic. How many viewers are going to switch off watching this scene for 15 minutes? Keeping the audience's attention is about putting them in the picture with the action. Lighting, camera angles, and audio make the difference. But that's way too complicated for what we want to cover in this video. Today we're going to look at the basic built-in IL-2 flight recording system, and then we're going to look at how to convert those files into ones that we can actually edit and make into MPEGs. We'll take a brief look at how I edit my vids to prepare them to put onto YouTube. IL-2 records its video files as TRK files, and for whatever mysterious reason we cannot watch them outside the game. But that's okay because we'll access those files right in the IL-2 flight recording system. Okay, we're just going to start out by creating a very short video. We're going to press left Control R, which will start the recording function on IL-2. The red icon in the top right hand corner of the screen tells you that it's recording and creating a track file. Although the simple raw footage is not interesting in itself, once we start editing it, you'll see a big difference. And as we stop recording, that file is found here. And we should rename it so that we can find it easily. This file can only be viewed in-game. That means we need to use another program to convert the files so we can watch them somewhere else. There are several programs that you can use to transfer this data into MPEG and other formats, but I like to use OBS. It's a free program and does an excellent job. Now bear in mind that you may lose all these track files with some IL-2 updates. They disappear into the ether, never to be found again. So if you have a favorite clip, it's best to copy it into an MPEG file as soon as possible. The next thing you need to do is to create a file folder to hold all your audio, video, and photo files for the video that you're about to create. Mine is called simply Making an IL-2 Video. After downloading your OBS or other video capture program, you have to tell it to record to the file that you've just created. Then I bind the caps lock button to the video capture record button. The caps lock button usually has a green light on the keyboard because there is no icon for recording on the screen. Now we're ready to call up the TRK file from the flight recordings, and once the TRK clip is playing, we will start recording what's on screen. The beauty here is that we're not stuck in the cockpit view like this. We can use the IL-2 camera commands during the playback of the TRK file. So instead of seeing this, if we press F2 or F3 or F1 or F4 and we can zoom in, we can rotate, we can give the best view possible. With some practice, we can give all the things that mean something to us when we fly this aircraft. Now, is that frickin' awesome or what? Now we press the caps lock button to stop recording in the OBS, and it will have created a file in our file folder. You now have an MP4 file which you can do something else with. Next step is to put it into the editing program. I use Cyberlink Power Director. It is not a free program. but there are free programs out there that will edit videos for you, and YouTube has a very basic editing system on it as well. I start every new video with the same format. So I carry forward 4 files, my name and photo, my signature tune, and my standard greeting.
Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here.
Now it's time to transfer all the files from the file folder into the editing program, and then the creative process begins. Until after a very painstaking and time-consuming process, your video is complete and ready to convert to a different file. My video editing program allows me to choose the MPEG format or the AVI, but yours may choose something different. For YouTube, I understand that the best format is the MPEG. Regarding bit rates and other high-tech stuff, you should consult YouTube and do some homework and find out which one actually works for you and your system. Then you go to your YouTube channel, upload the video, upload a thumbnail, post it, and there she blows. And now you've just opened the door to incredible creativity. You can stop motion, you can analyze your flying, you can do all kinds of stuff on these video programs. I hope you've learned a lot. I've had fun. Hope you will too. See you next time. And thanks for watching.
As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment. Thank you guys.